Hello and welcome to Julie Cube. Hopefully it's just a quickie, using up some colourful paints that I have here. Just doing an easy home decor project that you could do with family, friends, the children, as long as they're supervised. So very easy home project. So I am going to, actually I've got just white pre-mixed in here. And I'm thinking that I will, I think a small cup should be suffice. So I was gonna just pour this white in here. This is a bit thin. Might also just pour around the edge of my canvas, so I've already got paint there to tilt over it. What I'm going to create here is a background for the next part of the technique. So very easy, beginners. As long as you know how to mix the acrylic paint into fluid paint, which in the drop down box underneath this video there's instruction for, you should be well away and have no problem. But yeah, so I've got paint mixing videos and how to, and definitely beginners videos. They're all in a playlist underneath there. So I'm going to, this is called Dark Sea, but it's like a very dark teal. And I'm just gonna, from a great height, put a bit in so it gives me a bit of a different color in the white. And then I've got some, I call this my champagne gold, which is a mix, a custom mix of 50% gold, 50% silver, and it gives a really nice champagne colour. So what I'll do is I'll just give 1, 2, 3, 4 stirry whirlies. So this is supposedly for my background for this piece, but we'll see how this one comes out. Kind of just do a ring pour. Got to all the white now, so I might see how that goes. It's just giving a nice different background with those colours in it. Still supple enough for me to add some colourful detail. The gold never came out too much in there, but it is definitely there. Oh. This is a nice little round canvas that I like working with. So I'll keep all my background down that kind of 1/3 of the canvas. So that's actually come out quite nice. Tilt it back, just nice and easy. Let's just set a nice background for some pops of colour that I would like to put around there. What I will do is use my heat wand. It just bursts any air bubbles. Rightio. So I'll just now layer some of the colours that I want to actually make this canvas pop. So you've got a nice background in there, which I'm going to pretty much leave alone. And then I'll do my puddles around here and here. So this is a berry colour, and then I'm going to add this really bright orange in there. Yeah, I do some weird and wonderful colour combos, not that everybody likes them, but I do like working with bright colours. I also like working with monochrome colours, believe it or not. This is brilliant red. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm going to add some of this. This is around here. I think it should. You'll see how it all moulds in shortly. And I'm going to put some gold in there. is kind of a little bit of a different look, I guess. Still go along with a bit of this. Ooh. Well, I think I was going to add some white, but I don't think I will. I'll just give it a hit over with my heat wand again. Use my teeny tiny dryer. Little baby Baileys. I believe it's, yeah, just a travel dryer that I got from a charity shop. I'm always asked about it. So I'm going to actually turn this around now because I'm going to blow it away from me. So I'll start off with the puddles. Beautiful colours, so I'm going to just try and do a bit of didn't want to blow those too much. I'll go back the other way now. Colours of that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Move it back around this way just so it's easier for me. I'm going to see if I just blow and try and soften the edges up. Oh, I love that. I love, love, love that. I love those colours together, and look at that gold has really created a shimmer in there. It's really beautiful. You could absolutely leave this exactly how it is, and I think I actually will today. I'm not sure if I want to just put a little bit. Let me try. Just let me see how this works out. Just a little blob of black. I'm not going to do no other colour there. Just let me try something. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I'll bring you down in a second and you will see. It still allowed all those lovely colours to pop. But it's just made it look like 3D, like it's standing away from the rest. Ooh. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Now, when that's dry, I could put, or I suppose I could even try to do it now. Get the end of a skewer. I think it would be better to do if it's dry, and you can put some little, like, they just look like the I'm not sure what they call the sentence, like the seeds. That's it's not gonna work as nice, but look at that. If I put that gold in there, oh, that actually looks like a little stem. No, I didn't. I'm gonna wreck it. So let's see if I can just create a nice little shape out of that. That looks like, yeah, that's nice. Oh no, I'm not going to do anything with that. That's beautiful. Look at those colours. I'm going to bring you down. Oh, it's so lovely. It really looks as though it's just floating. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, super happy with those colours, super happy. And I am so glad I did that blown flower in black. Look at even the centre, you know, even though it was a mistake, or what's it called, happy accident, it looks like it's floating, those extra bits, the extra flower there. And just that, I know that it kind of ended up covering up some of that background that I did first, but that's absolutely fine because the rest of it, I just think it's gorgeous. So there you go, easy home art that you can do. It's no, you know, it's quite an easy project to do. Thank you so much for joining me and always being there for me, my subscribers. I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. I have been told that YouTube is not sending out my videos, even though you're subscribed, it's not recommending them to you. So I just suggest that you maybe unsubscribe, resubscribe and hit the notification bell. I don't expect you to watch every video I put out. I do put out a lot, but it just, then if you're feeling like you just need a bit of entertainment while you're having your cup of tea or your coffee or your glass of wine, you know, come along and watch. So my lovelies, thank you so much again. Appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, bye for now.